Myfirstwig offer really nice quality wigs. You can get all different lengths, colors, textures, styles, and a lot of the times they'll come pre-styled. This one already came set as a side part bob. You guys will see this is going to be a glueless install. I'm ready. So you guys seen, this one was a very simple install, and I love the color variation. It's very work safe, it's very appropriate for all seasons. The color will be same as picture, and as you guys can see, it fits how I like. So I'm able to do that thing where the wig pretty much fits glueless. My family's ready to go to dinner, so I'm gonna go ahead and catch up with them.